And there's so many people crying wolf on X. The bull market's almost over. The bull market's over. See you in 3 years. There's a whole lot of this FUD going on social media, and the funniest part is if you actually look back, for example, this guy Carl Moon on July 23rd, bull run is over, it was fun while it lasted, see you in 4 years. And then if you go look at his account, go look at the most recent post that he's been doing in the last like 24 hours. Alts, bull run is coming, hodl hard, Bitcoin is the future, Bitcoin will 2x, ETH will 5x, altcoins will 50x. So, and this person has 1.5 million followers, which means that 1.5 million people back in July probably looked at this and started to sell things, and then now they're seeing things pump after they essentially sold the bottom. And if you're just looking at the Bitcoin chart in general, we're still at 116,000, so I don't know why everyone wants to start complaining and whining about it. Even if we drop down to 100,000, even down to the $97,000 range and tested this liquidity sweep low, that would still be extremely bullish long term in my opinion. And if you go look at Bitcoin dominance, we are nowhere near the 40% range, and even 55% was the range low from 2021 where we had that altcoin season last year. And we still have yet to test that range. So although Bitcoin dominance does have some weakness, and we could see this push up a little bit, which would drive some of the altcoins down, which we're seeing now, for example. On the long term, I still expect this Bitcoin dominance to at least test the 40% range. Even if it's a 49 to 46% range, I still expect us at some point to test that under 50 range for Bitcoin dominance. Which if you want to come trade with me or join the EPIQ trading floor, it is free to sign up. I'll tag the link above and I'll add it to the description of the video. There are limited spots available in the all access pass, and all the one-on-one mentorship spots are filled. So if you want to join the waitlist, you can go ahead and do that. It is first come, first serve. At the end of the day, you have to be very aware of what you're digesting on the internet, specifically on social media, because a lot of people just post a bunch of ridiculous stuff. Even if you go back to February of 2025, this person talking about how the bull run 2025 is over and how it's getting into a bear run. And now we've seen where price is at currently. If you go back to February of 2025 and you go look at what Bitcoin's price was at that time, that was at about 96,000 and trending to the downside. That basically means that he was selling off at about 95,000 before this nice little push down, and now we're seeing even higher highs from that point. So if you want to stay up to date with everything, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, join us in the EPIQ trading floor. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're at in the world, and I will see you in the next one.